Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to get subscribe button on your Snapchat app. So this will be a really simple tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the left upper corner, go on your profile icon, and then make sure to scroll down. And as you can see, I already have my public profile right here, but you will need to create your public profile. Once you create your public profile, you can click on my public profile here. And as you can see, if we preview profile, we can view it as someone that is visiting our profile, and we will actually have a subscribe button right here, as you can see. Now, this is only available if you turn on the public profile. So after you have public profile, you can see I have already 4 subscribers. I didn't even post anything. You will be able to edit profile, and then you will be able to also show subscriber count, location, and also edit the bio as well. You can also edit your whole public profile, but as you can see, if we preview profile, we can see that we have subscribe button. So this is basically how to get a subscribe button. It's really simple. Again, you just have to turn on or switch your account from personal or private account to your public account, and that way you can get subscribe button on your Snapchat app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below and we'll get back right to you. Thank you guys for watching.